Hello, this is Jacob from JetSki Brothers, and today I got another product from Better Boat. This is the bilge cleaner. If you have, obviously, a boat, you're going to have the bilge that gets all disgusting from having water slosh around on the bottom of it. It stagnates, gets gross, sea residue, whatever. Same with jet skis. And this stuff is designed, you just dump a certain ratio into the bilge of your boat, and the idea is you stick it out on the water for a few hours. I think they recommend at least 1 hour. After it sloshes out, it should clean your boat right on up.
Another good way to do it would be to put the ski on a trailer and drive it around for a while and use the driving around to get that stuff to slosh around.
Then you suck out all the water. You don't put it into the lake that you just had your boat in because it's probably bad. For a jet ski, I'm gonna say you could do the same thing. You would have to disconnect the bilge siphon and then just have a big pool of water kind of in the bottom of your ski, sloshing it around, go for a ride, then bring it in and drain the water out. So that is the intended way to do this. I am going to just try dumping a little bit of this into this guy here, and I'm gonna try the wrong way first. So just dumping some of this into this, letting it slosh around for a while and just seeing what it does. So here is our X2. Not the dirtiest, but definitely not particularly clean. This is a ski we are building right now, and so before we put the engine in, we want to clean it out. So what better chance to use this Better Boat bilge cleaner. All right, so there is a amount that you're supposed to put into your boat for whatever size ratio it is. I read the instructions, I forgot what it was, but since this is a lot smaller than a boat, so obviously it's going to use a lot less quantities. So I'm just going to dribble some in here and just kind of guess. Let's see, I think I'm going to spray some more water in here with the pressure washer and get it sloshing around that way and see how it reacts. I'm kind of expecting this to be more of a cleaner of dirt and grime, but I'm not expecting it to turn brown into white here. I'm not really expecting it to turn brown into white. It's just kind of expecting it to remove dirt and grime, I suppose. So I guess I'm gonna kind of slosh it around, stir it around a bit, and see what it really just does. I suppose this is the kind of motion they have in mind. This stuff is just supposed to slosh around and scrub the boat. So obviously if it's in the water, you don't have to do anything like this. Let's see if I can do this. Get it more up front. Maybe mix the bubbles or whatever the heck this stuff is. This is a really good product, by the way. This bilge pump, I love it. I've tested it, and I think it's just great. Not everybody's gonna need something like this for what they're doing, but if you think you might need a product like this, this is great. I recommend it highly. Okay, here's a shot after we've got the water out. The water probably sat in there for about 40 minutes. It's reasonably clean for not following the instructions at all. Bilge cleaner. Available at thebetterboat.com and Amazon. See the link in the description.